Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson exponents and powers. Now we were discussing about the worksheet 3. Now coming to the fourth question, simplify and express the result as a rational number. Now it is not as the exponent, now as a rational number. So we have to find the value. Okay, now coming to the question, first 5 by 7 is the base and in between it is a division. So 4 minus 2, subtract the powers, isn't it? So 5 by 7, the whole raised to 4 minus 2 is 2. So it will be how much? It is a 5 5s are 25 and 7 7s are 49. Directly you can see, otherwise 5 squared upon 7 squared, that again you have to write. No need, directly write the answer. Now coming to the second sum, it is a minus 2 by 3 is the base. Write the base and it is in between multiplications. So that is why you have to add the powers. So it will be minus 2 by 3, the whole raised to 5. Isn't it? Now it is a negative rational number. So the answer for if the power is an odd number, it will be negative only. Remember? So if it is a negative number and the power is a odd, the answer will be negative. If the power is a even number, then it will be positive. If the power is even number, then the negative integer becomes positive. But if the power is odd number, then the negative number remains the negative only. Remember this rule. Now 2 to the power 5. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81, isn't it? So 4 times 3 means 3 3s are 9. The other set 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. Now 81 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So you got 2 4 3 in the denominator. So it will be minus 32 upon 243. Now the third subdivision, the base is 3 by 4 and in between it is multiplication. So the rule is add the powers. So 3 plus 2. So 3 by 4, the whole raised to 5. Now 3 to the power 5. Already we got 3 to the power 5 is 2 4 3. Now 4 to the power 5. Now 4 4s are 16. 16 16s are. It is 256 into 4. 4 6s are 24. 4 5s are 20, 22. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. So these calculations and all you should be quick enough. You have to do it in the rough work. Now coming to the fourth sum, it is a minus 3 by 5 is the base and in between it is a division sign. So we have to subtract the powers, isn't it? So minus 3 by 5, the whole raised to 6 minus 3 is 3. Now the power is what? The odd number. When the power is odd number, negative remains negative only. Now 3 to the power 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 5 cube. 5 to the power 3. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So you have to find out the number, rational number. So it is not in the exponential. If they ask exponential form, so till here. If they ask the rational number, you have to find the answer. Okay, multiply and see. Okay, now coming to the fifth one. The base is minus 1 by 10. And in between it is multiplication sign. So add the powers. Minus 1 by 10. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now the power is a negative. The number is a negative. Then it is a power is an even number. So the answer becomes positive. Okay. So negative with the even power, it becomes positive. Negative rational number के even power रहेगा तो आंसर पॉजिटिव होता है. और अभी 10 to the power 6 कैसे करने का? 10 to the power 1 is 10. 10 to the power 2 is 100. मतलब पावर कितना है उतना 0 याद रखने का. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 1 and 6 zeros. So whenever 10 with any power, then what is the power? That many zeros you have to put. Why? 10 to the power 1 is 10. 10 to the power 2 is 100. 2 zeros. 10 to the power 3. 1 and 3 zeros. 10 to the power 4. 1 and 4 zeros. Like that. So hope you understood this question number 4. Now coming to the question number 5. It is evaluate. Evaluate means what? Find the value. Evaluate means find the value. Okay. Now see here. It is 3 by 4 the whole cube into 2 by 3 the whole square. Now are the bases same? No. So we can't use the law. So write 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. 3 times. Now 2 by 3 2 times. You can find the value. Means 3 cube is how much? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Like that also you can write. But this is the easy method. Cutting is there, isn't it? So 3, 3, 3, 3 get cancelled. Now it is 2, 1s are 2, 2s are. Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now how much is remaining? In the numerator 3 and in the denominator 4 4s are 16. Don't waste the time in finding the value. So just write how many times it is there, write, and the other one also and get cancelled. Now coming to the second subdivision, 1 by 3 the whole raised to 6 divided by 1 by 3 the whole raised to 5. That is within the bracket. Then divide by 1 by 3. So first we will solve this. Now it is 1 by 3. Bases are same. Now in between division sign means what? Subtract the powers. Okay. Now what is there outside? Divide by 1 by 3. Write as it is. Now this one becomes 1 by 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. So, no need of writing. Now here, so this one you got 1 by 3. And now here divide by 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. The same rational number is divided by the same one. So it will be, answer is 1. Okay. Now coming to the third subdivision, the bases are same. It is an ordinary number, isn't it? So it is 2 to the power, in between a multiplication sign. So add the powers. Divide by 2 to the power 8. Now this becomes 2 to the power 4 plus 5 is 9. Divide by 2 to the power 8. Now again bases are same, but in between division sign. So what we have to do? 2 to the power, subtract the powers. 9 minus 8. So that is 2 to the power 1. Isn't it? That means 2. Hope everyone is understanding. Now coming to the fourth subdivision. Now here 4 squared minus 3 squared divided by 1 by 7 the whole square. Now in between it is minus sign and the bases are also not same. So we have to just find out the value. In between there is a addition, subtraction, then no rule is there. Law is not there for that. And on top of that, the bases are not same. Okay, now 4 squared is how much? 4 4s are 16 minus 3 squared. 3 3s are 9. Divide by 1 by 7 the whole square. Okay, now it is 16 minus 9 is how much? It is 7. Divide by 1 by 7 the whole square, means 1 by 49. 7 7s are 49. That means 7. Division का मतलब multiply by the reciprocal. So 49 by 1. Now 49 7s are 7 9s are 63. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. याद रखने का 7 square is 49, 7 cube is 343. Is it clear? So we have completed up to question number 5. That means worksheet 3 is complete. Hope everyone understood till here. Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.